Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to EDUSTAR online class. In previous class, we have learnt about SIEVE of ERATOSTHENES and prime factorization. Now I am going to recall that. Listen to me. SIEVE of ERATOSTHENES is a method of finding prime numbers from 1 to 100. There are 6 steps to find prime numbers. First one, we have to cross out 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Second one, circle the number 2 and cross out all the multiples of 2. Third step, circle the number 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3. Fourth one, circle the number 5 and cross out all the multiples of 5. Fifth one, circle the number 7 and cross out all the multiples of 7. Last step, circle the numbers that are not crossed out. Now all the circled numbers are prime numbers. Next, prime factorization. The factors of the number must be prime factors. To find the prime factors, we have seen one method. Name of the method is, factor tree method. Using this method, we have to find the prime factors for the given number. Already we have seen examples for this in previous session. Now let me explain one more example about this factor tree method. Find prime factorization of 24 using factor tree method. There are 4 possibilities to get the number 24. 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. From these 4 possibilities, you can choose any one possibility to find the prime factors. Let us take 4 6 are 24. Here the factors 4 and 6 both are composite factors. So we have to convert the composite factors into prime factors. 4 we can write 2 into 2 because 2 2s are 4. Similarly, 6 we can write 2 into 3 because 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3 are prime factors. So, circle the prime factors. Now, we got all the factors are prime factors. So, prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. I hope now you have clearly understand about SIEVE of ERATOSTHENES and prime factorization. Multiples and factors, Part 7. This is the last part of this chapter 6. Today we are going to see about divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. Can you say what is even number? Yes, multiples of 2 are called even numbers. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. It means look at the ones place digit. Suppose the ones place digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 comes, that number is can divisible by 2. Let us see the examples. 428. Look at the ones place digit of the number. Ones place digit is 8. If ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 comes, that number is divisible by 2. Here ones place digit is 8. So 428 is divisible by 2. Next, 517. Look at the ones place digit. It is 7. So 517 is not divisible by 2. Next, 138. The ones place digit of 138 is 8. So 138 is divisible by 2. Next, 2345. The ones place digit is 5. So 2345 is not divisible by 2. Next, 189. The ones place digit of 189 is 9. So 189 is not divisible by 2. Next, 3456. Look at the ones place digit of 3456. Ones place digit is 6. So 3456 is divisible by 2. Last one, 4838. The ones place digit of 4838 is 8. So 4838 is divisible by 2. Students, look at the ones place digit of the given number. If the ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 comes, that number is divisible by 2. Next, divisibility by 3. Sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 3. That number is divisible by 3. Let us see the examples. 39. Add the digits of the given number 39. 3 plus 9, which is equal to 12. 12 can divided by 3. So 12 is divisible by 3. So the number 39 is also divisible by 3. Similarly, 73. 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10. 10 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 10 cannot divisible by 3. So 73 is not divisible by 3. Next, 282. 2 plus 8 plus 2, which is equal to 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 282 is divisible by 3. Next, 866. 8 plus 6 plus 6, which is equal to 20. 20 is not divisible by 3. So 866 is not divisible by 3. Next, 4284. Can you say 4284 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 4284 is divisible by 3. Correct. How? 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4, which is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So 4284 is divisible by 3. Next, divisibility by 5. Look at the ones place digit of the given number. If the ones place digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Let us see the examples. 230. Look at the ones place digit. If the ones place digit is 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. Here ones place digit is 0. So 230 is divisible by 5. Next, 425. Ones place digit is 5. So 425 is divisible by 5. Next, 1272. Ones place digit is 2. So 1272 is not divisible by 5. Next, 868. Ones place digit is 8. So 868 is not divisible by 5. Next, 1720. Ones place digit is 0. So 1720 is divisible by 5. Next one, 635. Ones place digit is 5. So 635 is divisible by 5. Last one. 429. Can you say 429 is divisible by 5 or not? Yes. 429 is not divisible by 5. How? Ones place digit is 9. So, 429 is not divisible by 5. Next, divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that number is divisible by 6. Let us see the examples. 426. Now we have to check this number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. What is the rule for divisible by 2? Yes, the ones place digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. What is the divisible by 3 rule? Yes, sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. 426. Look at the ones place digit. Ones place digit is 6. So, 426 is divisible by 2. 4 plus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So, 426 is divisible by 2 and 3. So, 426 is divisible by 6. Next, 517. Ones place digit is 7. So, 517 is not divisible by 2. So, 517 is not divisible by 6. Next, 732. Ones place digit is 2. So, 732 is divisible by 2. 7 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So, 732 is divisible by 2 and 3. So, 732 is divisible by 6. Next, 1382. Ones place digit is 2. So, 1382 is divisible by 2. 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2, which is equal to 14. 14 cannot divisible by 3. So, 1382 cannot divisible by 6. Next, 3826. Can you say 3826 is divisible by 2 or not? 6 or not? Yes. 3826 cannot divisible by 6. How? The ones place digit is 6. So, 3826 is divisible by 2. 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 19. 19 cannot divisible by 3. So 3826 cannot divisible by 6. Divisibility by 9. Sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Look at the examples. 216. 2 plus 1 plus 6, which is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So 216 is divisible by 9. Next, 845. 8 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 17. 17 cannot divisible by 9. So 845 cannot divisible by 9. Next, 1872. 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2, which is equal to 18. 18 can divisible by 9. So 1872 can divisible by 9. Next, 3006. 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6, which is equal to 9. 9 can divisible by 9. So 3006 can divisible by 9. Can you say 6715 is divisible by 9 or not? Yes, 6715 is cannot divisible by 9. Correct. How? 6 plus 7 plus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 19. 19 cannot divisible by 9. So 6715 cannot divisible by 9. Next, divisibility by 10. Look at the ones place digit. If ones place digit is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Look at these examples. 110. Ones place digit is 0. So 110 is divisible by 10. Next, 135. Ones place digit is 5. So 135 cannot divisible by 10. Next, 1450. Ones place digit is 0. So 1450 can divisible by 10. Next, 4660. Ones place digit is 0. So 4660 is divisible by 10. Next, 2375. Ones place digit is 5. So 2375 cannot divisible by 10. Next, 1728. Ones place digit is 8. So 1728 cannot divisible by 10. Last example, 2220. Can you say 2220 is divisible by 10 or not? Yes, 2220 is divisible by 10. Correct. Because ones place digit is 0. So 2220 is divisible by 10. I hope students you have understand divisibility rules. Thank you students.